What is an ebook? The simple answer? It's an electronic book that's completely digital. You can't read an ebook on just anything. You'll need a computer, tablet, smartphone, or dedicated ebook reader like a Kindle to see what's on those pages. Ebooks come in a few different formats, most commonly epub and mobi. Some physical book lovers find them sinful, but ebooks are here to stay, and for good reason. They're super portable. You can easily take stacks of books with you wherever you go. While you can't edit the original file, you can leave notes and add highlights. Basically, you can do what you've always done with physical books, just with less stuff needed. It can actually be pretty easy to make an ebook yourself. Creating an ebook can be done a couple of different ways. You can always fire up Adobe InDesign or Photoshop and try to make one from scratch. If you have the skills, and more importantly, the time, go for it. But for a lot of people, the best way to go is an ebook template. Text boxes and images are already set in your layout. All you need to do is drag and drop photos into their placeholders and add in your text. It's such a time saver. This modern ebook template is just one of the options you can use, and it's on Envato Elements. With a subscription, you can use any of these templates, plus fonts and photos from the full Envato Elements library. If you want to read more about ebooks or check out other templates, just follow the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more.